Hey, what's going on? This is Clayton from Roezan, and I want to show you today how you can send bulk text messages. So if you want to send a ton of different messages or a ton of messages to a bunch of different people, 1,000 people, 10,000, 50, 100,000 people, you can easily do that inside Roezan. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your contacts in here. I won't go in depth on that, but you can get your contacts in here a lot of different ways. You can bulk upload with CSV. You can also use Zapier to import them. You can also use any of our native integrations, but very easy. You can also just manually input people in here. But either way, whatever way you want to get people in here, you got your contacts, you'll put them on a list, and then you come over here to broadcast, and broadcast is where you can send a bulk text message. So for example, I'm going to come in here, I'm going to create a new message. I'm going to give it a broadcast name, so for example, promotion. And then I'm going to select which lists I want to send it to. So you'll have contacts on lists. So for example, you might have people that have brought product A, product B. You might have a list of all your contacts. This makes it very easy to segment and make sure that the right people get the right messages. So for example, I could come in here and select a few different lists that I want to send to. And if you like, you could segment even further to essentially send to a portion of a list. So that's easy to do as well if you want to get fancy. So then anyway, come down here to the broadcast message, and I can just compose my message. We'll tell you a few different things. We'll tell you about how many characters you have left, because SMS has 160 characters. You can clearly go over that if you'd like and have a multi-segment message. This will tell you the amount of segments that you have or the amount of credits that you're going to use. And then you got a few different things that you can do. I can actually come in here and I can personalize every message. So I just hit this personalize button and I could select any of the custom fields that we have in here. So I could hit first name, for example, and then every message that goes out, it's going to pull from that contact information, mail merge it in there, and personalize every text as it goes out. So pretty cool. So then also we have a few features built in. So for example, we have a built-in link shortener. So you come in here and hit this little link button and type in your link. I'll throw something in here. All right, so I got Roezan in there. And what it'll do is create this little tag right here. And so every message that goes out, it's actually going to use our link shortener. It's going to save you a little bit of space on your message. And it also gives us the ability to track who's clicking on your links. And so when you go to send this message, you'll be able to see some analytics on how many people are actually clicking on your message. So it makes it pretty cool. Another thing you can do, you can actually do MMS as well, meaning multimedia. So you click this little button, you could add a picture or a file or a voice note, whatever you like to do. You can send that as well. It's pretty cool. Down here, if you want, you can actually schedule this out for the future. So let's say you're having a product launch or you're having a time-sensitive thing you want to launch at a specific time. You could hit this button right here. You could select a date that you want to schedule this message for, and it'll go out on that date. You can also come down here and test your message. So you want to see how the message looks, want to make sure it works and everything. You can throw your phone number in here and hit this test message button. This will allow you to test the message. And then once you're done with all this kind of stuff and looks good to go, you can go ahead and schedule it. So obviously very simple. You can come in here and send bulk text messages, mass text messages, personalized, even with pictures, whatever you want to do, so you can make sure that it gets to the right people at the right time. So if you'd like to get this for yourself, you like to get a phone number, get registered, and all that kind of fun stuff, you can sign up for an account on our website at roezan.com, or if you'd like to do a demo with us and we could walk you through your situation personally, just book a demo on our website. All right, cheers guys.